Once upon a time, in a magical land called Fantasia, there lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Lily. Lily had a heart full of imagination and a mind that was always eager to explore new things. One sunny morning, as Lily was playing in her backyard, she stumbled upon a mysterious old book hidden under a pile of leaves. The book had a shimmering cover and was titled The Enchanted Forest.
If you make this type of video and earn more money from YouTube, so watch this video till the end. All this work we will do with AI. So first let's go to write a story on ChatGPT. We will prompt ChatGPT that write a story for kids. ChatGPT has prepared a story for us. Now copy and save it in your notes. After that we go to laxica.art to create pictures. This is completely free tool. From here you can create 1000 pictures in a month for free, and you can earn money by selling these pictures anywhere. We will learn about this in the next videos. Now copy a little bit of the text you copied and put prompt in it. It will create picture for you in few seconds. Now you own this picture, you can use them anywhere without any worries. After that we go to 11 labs for voiceover. Sign up here first, then select voice from here and paste the text below in few seconds. It will create voiceover for us. Download it from here. Now we will edit it. For that I will use KineMaster. You can edit in any editor you want. We will learn how to edit video with AI in the next videos. From here select new project, select background, then increase its duration. Then they bring the audio. After that drag the image. Here are all the pictures, voiceover, set accordingly. Then click on the text and write text here. Also set the text according to your video. I am going to bring you a full video editing tutorial in the next videos. Save the video after setting. Then make catchy thumbnail and upload it and earn millions of dollars from YouTube.